My name is Brandon Ward. I'm an attorney with Garfinkel Schwartz. As your attorney, I will fight for your benefits on day one. I got to this particular area of the law because I like working with military service members, former members, as well as people who serve the U.S. military. I came from a military background. My family generations have served in the U.S. military. My great grandfather served in World War I. My both grandfathers on both sides of my family served in World War II. My father served during Vietnam and after, and my mother even served in the Persian Gulf War. I took their legacy of service and applied it to myself, and I joined the United States Army. And I served 2 tours in Iraq, 10 years, almost 10 years of active service, and now I'm a reservist. I love doing this particular work, working with veterans, working with contractors who serve the military overseas, because it gives me an opportunity to continue to live that legacy of service. When I served overseas, I went as a U.S. Army soldier. But when I was there in Iraq, I worked alongside contractors of all types and flavors. We had security guards. We had people who operated our dining facility, our MWR. They may not have fought in combat, but they were with us and they were exposed to the same traumas and horrors that we were exposed to. So don't feel ashamed that you served overseas and you didn't get a chance to defend yourself. You were still exposed to the same terrible things that the military members who wore the uniform were exposed to. I understand that. I witnessed that myself. And I can tell you that you're in good company if you choose us to be your attorneys to protect your interests, to fight for your benefits, and to prosecute your claim. We understand you. This is the only thing we do, in fact. Under the Defense Base Act, we've filed thousands of claims and helped assist thousands of people like yourself to get the just medical benefits, disability compensation, a righteous outcome for your circumstances. And we can do that for you. Okay? That's what we do at Garfinkel Schwartz. We care about you. You are our only concern. If you file a claim for benefits under the Defense Base Act, you're not filing a claim against the United States military. Okay? You did your service overseas in support of United States interests, and you probably worked alongside U.S. military members who fought and executed orders from their military hierarchy. Please don't feel ashamed or hesitant about executing a claim for benefits under the Act, because that is what you're entitled to. The United States government passed the law to defend the Defense Base Act itself to help assist you and to recover from any illnesses or injuries that you suffered when you're overseas. You are entitled to that. So please come forward, contact us. We will help get you on the right track to prosecuting your claim and getting you the just benefits that you deserve. As a military veteran who served overseas in a combat zone, I know what it's like. I can understand where you're coming from. I know how you feel. I may not know the circumstances of the things you went through, but I can tell you that my own circumstances are probably very similar. I served in Iraq for 2 years, so I do know what a combat zone is like. And I love this area of the law. It gets me an opportunity to fight on your behalf for the compensation, benefits, and the justice that you deserve. At Garfinkel Schwartz, we fight for you, and I can tell you from a personal basis, I fight for you because I know you, I understand you.